Hey, guess what, man? The greatest disc jockey over there. What station?
KBFM.
Okay, man. You can catch him every afternoon.
That's right. That's right.
Awesome.
That's
Because
right.
I listen to him.
Mahalo.
Oh, who's the greatest there?
The man in the pan.
Big Hey, guess what? The greatest lady of all. I'm here in Kailua. So what do you want to tell everyone out there? Man in the pan. Okay, big shaka. Hey, guess what, man? I get beautiful ladies. They all work for Coca-Cola. But who's the fastest chef?
Man and the pan.
Big shaka to man in the pan. Awesome. Hey, guess what, man? Here's a retired teacher, and that's how she looks like. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka to man in the pan. Awesome. Hey, guess what, man? This guy here is an awesome cook. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan, right,
Okay, big
Rakas?
shaka. Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm gonna do something really exciting for you. You see, I found all these layer of pork here, and I'm gonna make tonkatsu. We're gonna layer it and I'm gonna fry it. The first thing I do is I get my pan, put it on the heat, put in some oil. Okay? I crack on egg. Heat it up, scramble it just like this. Okay? Scramble the egg. I have some panko and I have some tempura mix. So you could use any kind of flour or whatever, but I use tempura mix because I'm lazy. Like I told you that this thing comes in layers, right? Thin slice. Okay. So now what I do, the first layer here, I add in some garlic powder and I put on some salt. Okay? Okay, then I cover it with the second layer, thin slice, just like this. Okay? The second layer, you're gonna put in a little bit butter on top. Okay? Some butter. Okay? Then I cover it up. Then maybe I put a little bit more salt and garlic powder. Then I put on the third layer. Okay? Just like this. Okay? Okay. Now, what I do is I have my tempura batter and the panko. Just like this. Okay? So look here, egg wash. Okay? Tempura batter, panko mix. Okay? Just like this. Okay? Put it in here. And I'm frying it. Okay? So once that is done, you just gently turn it over. So it's going to be real easy because it's all in layer. It's going to cook really fast. Okay, thing is done. There you go. The thing is done. Let me cut them up and see how it tastes. Oh, look at the butter just oozing out. Right? Like that. Eh? Saw that? Here you go. Oh. Oh. Wow. It's so delicious, incredible. You can put tonkatsu sauce if you want. So tomorrow night, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Aloha.